Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing how you're gonna be earning free paper money. So before that, my name is Emmanuel, but I'm doing this channel that I make videos how to make money online. So all I want you to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. So as I said, that I'm gonna be showing how you're gonna be earning free paper money. So but first of all, you have to have paper account. So if you don't have one, just go to my one of my videos where I teach you how to create free paper. So the link will be down in the description. So after that, the first thing you need to do just to go subscribe to my channel and notification. So after that, just go to the first link in the description. When you click on that link, it actually bring you here. You can see right here, take place of first, make money online, free paper cash and gift card. So you can sign up with your Facebook account, you can sign up with your Google account. So if you can sign up with your Gmail account, all you need to do is just put your first name, last name, enter your email address and choose your password right here. After that, you click on this start making money. So if you just come down right here, you can see that sign up for 100% free account and earn points by completing short opinion survey and or easy offers. Redeem points for paper cash or choose from hundred of gift cards. So when you come right here, when you put first name, last name, email address, when you choose a password, after that click on this start making money. It actually bring you right here. So the first thing I need to do is just to go and verify your email address. So just go to your mailbox and verify your email address. Once you verify your email address, just come back right here. You can see right here, you can do survey right here, endpoint right here. We go to this Peanut Labs. It's loading up right here. So as it's loading up, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification. So every time I drop a video like this, YouTube will actually give an description that I've actually dropped a video. So right here, it's taking time to open. But what you need to do here is just to complete offers. Complete offers right here and earn money. So okay, if you complete offer right here, if I just go to this add gate right here, you can see it's loading up right here. It's loading up right here, slowly loading. So you can see this one right here. You can see this one right here, it's loading right here. You can see this one right here. You can complete offers right here and this one right here 18 points, this one right here 6 points, this one right here 4 points. So this one offer 2 right here. You can just loading up right here. It's loading up. So there is many ways to earn. There are many ways to earn points in this website. There are many ways. There's many ways to earn points in this website. So it's absolutely free. It's very easy to use. So you don't need to stress yourself. So this one 160 to complete this offer, play and reach level 23 within 14 days. You're gonna be getting 122 points right here. If you convert it to dollar, it will be like $1.26. So this one right there, 29 points right here is 29 cents. 94 points right here is 94 cents. This one is 7 points right here is 7 cents. So if you click right here, you just click on this invite friend right here. You can see that you can invite friends and earn 30% commission from whatever they earn. So right here it's loading up right there. So let's go, boom. So right here, tell your friends, family and classmates about price rebel. So this your invitation code right here. You can come right here, copy it. So as you can see right here, as your referral has earned by completing survey, you will earn 15% bonus based on their earnings. If they earn 1,000 points right here, which is $10, you will earn 150 points, which is $1.50. So I'll be leaving the link down in the description so that you will click it there and sign up. So if I actually give a value in this video, all you need to do for me just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that anytime I drop a video like this, it will actually give a notification that I will drop a video. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.